Hi, how you doing? I'm Mark Bradley from tallguymarketing.com and welcome to my project commission Abduction review. So this has just been released by Brian Winters, Tom McTing and Zaheen Ahmed. So effectively it's a really smart piece of software for getting your links onto YouTube videos. You can use any YouTube video you want to put your links on and drive traffic to wherever you want that traffic to go. As I say, it could be an affiliate link, product offer, whatever. So what you do, it's a really simple process and I'll go through it. I've got access to the front end so I can show you that, show you how to do it. I already used it and I had my link on a really popular video on YouTube in less than 5 minutes. It's very simple to do and as I say, a really smart piece of software. All you need to do is to make your video and then you can share that wherever you want, on your blog, a Facebook page, whatever you want, and you're going to get a lot of eyeballs onto that video and subsequently onto your link or wherever you want to send that traffic to. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. Okay, I'm guessing you've already been through that, but we'll just go through it quickly. If you've got any questions that haven't been answered on the sales page or about the product or anything, hit me up down there, okay? Just send me a comment and I'll answer as soon as I can and to the best of my ability. Also, please, while you're down there, while you're on here, I'd love it if you kind of give me a thumbs up. Please like my video. To say, send me a comment, interact, maybe even hit that notifications bell for me. That would be great. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, it's a pretty good sales page actually. I quite like it. It kind of jumps out at you. Let's get that kind of UFO abduction kind of feel about it. You see some of the screenshots with money they've made using this. As I say, it's pretty easy to do. You know, that's a great thing with software such as this. All the heavy lifting's done for you. It's just pretty much a case of point and click that you need to do. So here's some of the beta testers. So here this guy made 168 bucks, 134. They've all made money using this. So it does work. It's worked for them. There's no reason why it won't work for you. As I say, it's drop dead, simple piece of software to use. There's nothing tricky, nothing difficult to get results like this. It's all pretty straightforward. So basically all you're doing is selecting a YouTube. I use YouTube, I didn't use Vimeo. You can use Vimeo obviously. Like a really popular, it could be a music video, a motivational video, whatever that may be. Second step is to instantly monetize that video with an affiliate link, or as I say, it could be a link to wherever you want to send it effectively. Most people use it for affiliate links to promote products and make money, but it could be whatever, Pinterest post, post on your blog, whatever, and then one click, share the video on their free hotspots and just sit back and make money. Okay, it's not going to be as easy as sitting back and waiting for the money to roll in. You will have to kind of do a wee bit of work, but not really with this. I mean, as I say, you could pump one of these out in less than 5 minutes. I did it in less than 5 minutes, but you'd have to keep making more than one. If you want to sit back and let the money roll in, you would need to kind of roll up your sleeves and get a few videos out there, send them to the right places, to get enough traffic and all that good stuff. So nothing in this world is sit back and make money. You know that by now, surely. Some things like this, as I say, does all the heavy lifting for you. you know, things like this make life so much easier. You're not having to run around pulling all the different moving parts to get it all together. It's all done for you. That's the beauty with software like this. It does all the legwork for you effectively. So I think at the moment, there's Tom there with, I don't know if that's one of his kids, I'm not sure. This is Brian here, and again I think that's his kids. So again down here, I think that's Bauka. Actually, probably know him. He's a big internet marketer with Stefan and Cindy Donovan. So I'm guessing this must have been at a conference somewhere. I think that's actually there. So yeah, a few lifestyle shots. Comes with a 100% money back guarantee. Yeah, I was going to say, sorry, I get sidetracked with photos. At the moment, it's $18.97, so that's early bird pricing. It is going to go up. I think it's going to bottom out maybe about $27. So if you want to get this, now's the time to get in and get it. And please, I would really appreciate it if you pick it up through my link. I'm an affiliate. I will receive a commission. But I've got some fantastic bonuses for you, which I'll show you in just a wee minute. So please, that again, the link down there, the blue link just below this video, click on that. You will go through to my bonus page, and if you click on either button in the bonus page, you will come through to the sales page. Pick it up through the sales page, and as I say, I'll get the commission for it, and I'll send you my bonuses. They will be in the membership area. They're already in there. So there's no fanning about, come back to Warrior Plus, whatever, all your bonuses will be there. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you kind of click down below, get it through my link, send me the love, that would be great, and I will help you out with the bonuses. So yeah, launch discount ends soon. So as I say, if you want to get it, jump in just now. There's Sishan, Ahmed, and Brian, and Tom. Okay, so you're probably going through the FAQs, frequently asked questions, and this genuinely is, it does take about 3 minutes to set up. I did it in less than 5 minutes. I'll show you the video that I set up with it. So yeah, if you get any more questions, just hit me up in the comments down below and I'll help you out. Okay, let's go and see what bonuses I've got. Let's go and look at those quickly. Normally I make my own bonus pages, but Brian and Tom and Zishan were offering a pre-made bonus page, and I thought, well, why not? Just something different. We'll go with these bespoke bonuses instead of me making my own bonus page. So this is slightly different from what I do. So if you want to get it, click this button or the one down below as well, and you will get all of these bonuses here. Okay, so the first bonus is basically the page you're on. You will get this to promote if you want to buy it. You want to do a review on it, then you can have this exact same page as your bonuses to offer, prospective buyers. So that's a big saving, because like these bonus pages, they take quite a long time to put together. So I usually use my own. I use Commission Gorilla, but this time I thought, well, why not? If they're offering bonuses, then I just go with that. So that's exactly what I've done, and this is exactly what you'll get to promote Project Commission Abduction as well, through your own link. Okay, second bonus is Traffic Robots. It's point-and-click sales. It's a brand new software which drives unlimited free buyer traffic. A single touch of a button. Bonus number 3, Dumb Little Cash Makers by Brian Winters, one of the creators of this product. Also has this as a bonus, and it's quick little kind of 10 to 20 plus cash profit methods using free and easy traffic source that sends traffic within 10 to 20 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty interesting. That's well worth a look. Bonus number 4 is Profit Portal by Kenny Cannon and Saul Moraney. A brand new fail-proof system that's guaranteed to fill your bank account with commissions. Okay. Bonus number 5 is Riser by Art Flair. It's a little known free software that generates $80 to $100 per day. Traffic included, 100% UB friendly, and takes 3 minutes to set up. Okay, bonus number 6 is Flipped by Art Flair. It's all about kind of flipping websites and all that good stuff. Secret 5-minute copy and paste trick. Makes it simple for anyone to make money online. Bonus number 7, The Magic Link by woman Katie, who I don't know. This one affiliate link is spinning out stupid simple commissions in 4 different ways on a daily basis. Okay. Bonus number 8 is, you will know this guy, Jonah Armstrong, from $0 to $100 a day method. And this was a course that John released, I think, last year. So all these bonuses are for sale. I mean, like the bonuses in here are probably worth about $100, maybe more. You got to ask what they're worth to you. And by all means, please go and have a look around. Have a look at other people's bonuses. I'm sure there'll be a few people kind of offering this bonus page. But you know, go and have a look at other people's bonuses too, and then when you've decided these are probably the best bonuses for you, come back here and get it down there. Okay, just that link down there below. But as I say, these bonuses are worth about $100. This is still on sale, the $0 to $100 in 24 hours method. So there you go. Okay, and there's another button to click down there. Okay, so that's my bonus page. That's all the bonuses I'm going to send to you. As I say, they will all be in the membership site when you know you pick it up through the sales page, and once you get set up in the membership site, all your bonuses will be waiting there for you. Okay. Right, let's go to the actual software. I'm going to show this quickly. I'm going to try and keep this less than 15 minutes maybe. My videos tend to run on a wee bit, so here's a welcome kind of message from Tom. I'll just click out that and click on here to go through to actual software. So it's basically campaigns. You're setting up different campaigns. Each video is a campaign. Let me go to campaigns. I'll show you the one I created. Kettlebell. Oh, there's Eric. Eric's done one. Eric's done two. Where's mine? Right, that's one of mine that I did, and I also did this one as well. These two here. Let's go and have a quick look at this one. I think I can remember how to do it. So, on that. Okay, that's not on enough. Right, let's try. This is done. Okay. Right. Oh, this is not done. Right, sorry. It's URL copy. Right, so. Right, okay. So this is the video I made. And you get a choice of buttons, what to put in the video, so on and so forth. So this is an animated button. You get all the stock photographs. There's a whole library of photographs and everything for your thumbnails. This is the thumbnail that I made using their stock photos and gallery. I used their button as well, this animated button. So this is it, the video. I put the link on, Kelly Rowland featuring Lil Wayne. It's a music video. I can't remember how many. It said millions of views, absolutely millions of views. So you can set the delay. So there's my affiliate link come in now. There. Okay, so right, there you go. You kind of get an idea of what it's about. Okay, so that's how your video look. You can put other stuff on here as well. You can have, they've got all the buttons there that you can use, the buy now buttons. I use this one. You set up the time delay when you want it to appear. You can have it sliding in, out, shaking it all about. I'll run through quickly how you do that. So if you were to add a campaign, I'm not going to go through it all, okay, because as I say, I'll show you this. It's really straightforward. You would just name your campaign, okay, and then you would go to YouTube to find a type of video you wanted. So if your campaign was like that one, work from home, you could go to YouTube and find a make money online video, for example. Use that, and you search for it, you get the video, you can upload the video, and then you kind of create your thumbnail. Okay, you use that here, and as I say, they've got all the kind of stock photos and buttons that you can use to do that. It's very easy. It's basically point and click. I said that earlier. It is point and click. And the icons, you can have them animated, liquid, whatever, however you want it to appear. Size of the icon, dimensions, thumbnail button with play, with play button. What else? Yeah, the position, video ads, blah blah blah. You do all of this, you go through all of this, your call to action button, and then publish. Okay, and that's you got your video effectively. And as I say, you then take that video, you would share it maybe on a Facebook page, for example, get a lot of eyeballs on it, and once your affiliate link comes up, your button comes up, that's where people click, and that's where you get your affiliate link shown. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. It is very straightforward. There is nothing difficult. There's a kind of tutorial. I think it's about 15 minutes long. Takes you through how to use it. It's dead simple. Once you've done your first one, you know, you could spit these out in a few minutes, you know, and you could be putting out a lot every day. And by volume, that's where you're going to get sales. The more you put out, the more sales will trickle into your account. So, okay, so you know, that's pretty much all I want to show you. This video is running on a wee bit now. So with that, you know, I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching my project commission abduction review. It's quite a mouthful. Okay, and please, you know, get it through my link down below there. I'll send, or you'll get all the bonuses when you pick this up through my bonus page. They'll all be there sitting waiting for you. As I say, if you've got any questions, please hit me up in the comments down below, or just, you know, even like my video. I really appreciate that. But again, once again, thank you so much for watching my project commission abduction review, and I will catch up with you very soon. Take care.